Today we're going to learn about Christmas in Russia. Now, Russia is actually a country in two different continents. So if you look at the map, it is not labeled on our world map here, but it is in Europe and it's also a big part of Asia. Now you can tell in this picture, it looks like it's pretty cold at Christmas time in Russia. Now, Russia had some tricky words I had to look up and write down. So if you see me looking down when I'm reading them, that is why. So in Russia, Grandfather Frost or Ded Moroz brings presents to children for New Year. So you can call him either Grandfather Frost or Ded Moroz. Now they actually celebrate Christmas on January 7th. So did you notice that they get presents for New Year's instead of the Christmas time, right? So he's bringing, sorry, I went back. He's bringing them presents for New Year. Now, when you go into our virtual classroom, you will learn that they actually celebrate New Year because Christmas was banned in the country for a little while. So they have a drink made of boiled fruit and honey called Vzvar, and they drink it after the Christmas meal. So there's just a little bit about Christmas in Russia. Make sure you head over to our next video so we can do our paper together, and then you're going to head to the Russia virtual classroom and you can learn a lot more about what Russia is like and Christmas there.